beautiful people, welcome back to my kitchen or my channel actually. Today I'm here making something very simple. While I wanted also to chat with you because this has been my lately way of actually utilizing time and managing some stuff here and there. Okay, as a busy mom, I always find myself doing some things, double doing, or maybe multitasking. Now, I wanted to chat with you about something that's really changed my life, and I know that you guys can also, you'll want to try some of these things. How to start building passive income while you are cooking. That is the topic for today. And I mean literally from right here in your kitchen or maybe in wherever you are. Today we are doing this while I'm doing some stuff here. I'm making dinner for my family. So you're gonna be seeing what I'm doing. You won't see my face, but you're gonna hear my face. Oh. Now, literally what I'm talking about is right from here in your kitchen, without fancy equipment or maybe without big budget, you can have an idea. I want just to share with you this idea while I'm doing this. These ideas anyone can do. Stay at home moms, students, even if you are working full-time, you still have a chance to do this or maybe to try these ideas, and they all work well, especially with the new era of AI, which makes it more even 10 times faster if you're gonna be trying some of the AI tools. So grab your coffee or maybe tea or anything. In my case, I'm having some tea today, just for the black tea that we normally drink each and every time whenever we have a discussion. So let's begin. Now, the first one is maybe what I want to talk about is selling digital products. That's the idea number one that I know that you can try. I have tried it and I know that it is possible for you to generate income using this idea. Okay, I started with myself, and it's truly one of the easiest ways to earn money online without being tied to your screen all day. Because sometimes we normally spend a lot of time watching Netflix, watching TikTok, even though they are all good. But why don't you use that time while you are watching, or maybe just cut off those screen time and focus on something like selling a digital product? What you're gonna do is actually you can create things like printable planners. You can create things like journals, you can create things like coloring books, you can create things like budget trackers, even wall art. Okay, these are things that people are using or maybe are making, and they are getting money out of it. And you don't need to be a graphic designer. I use Canva most of the time, and some AI tools like Dzine Aİ, Midjourney, DALL-E, and sometimes ChatGPT to generate content ideas and templates. You can actually list them on your marketplaces, or maybe you can list them on marketplaces like Etsy, Payhip, and Gumroad, or maybe on your Facebook, or maybe on your TikTok, social media, or Instagram, or even better still on your YouTube channel if you have. People buy and download, and that's money in your pocket, even when you are just cooking or maybe when you are sleeping. So that's a very good idea that I highly recommend you to try. And the best part, once it is uploaded, it's just keep on selling. You don't have to repeat again. I know it takes time to do these things. Even when I'm talking, I know it's not just like you're gonna make something fluffy or maybe something just like that and people will buy. But if you put in more effort and with the right mindset and the right strategy with the right tools, you make it once and that is it. It's gonna keep on selling and selling. Are we together, guys? Tell me in the comment section if we're together by actually telling me where you're watching me from. Now, let's move on to my idea number 2, which is actually YouTube or maybe faceless video content. This one, it is something that I'm venturing in, I myself. And even right now, you are not seeing my face, right? You are seeing me doing some stuff here and there, but you're not seeing my face. This idea, you can turn it by maybe you don't necessarily have to make video by yourself. Okay, you don't need to shoot the videos, because I know most of you will be like, oh, but I'm shy, I don't want people to see me, to see my background. People don't care where you are actually, what you are like. They don't care the tools that you are using, but they care the quality. Okay, now you can get these ideas, or not ideas, the videos, or maybe the visuals that you want to use using free tools, or maybe free websites. And also you can use AI to actually generate some of these videos. This channel you are watching now, I record it while I live my life. Okay, like literally I'm cooking now and I'm filming. Okay, but even if you are shy, you can create content without showing your face. You can use this, maybe like I said, through AI avatars. You can use text to speech voiceovers. You can actually do what you can use AI generated images, or maybe stock videos, like I said, by actually using some platforms. Like, most of the time I use Dzine Aİ, I use Kling Ai, I use Canva for videos, for images, for visuals, and they give me the best results. Okay, you can make videos about food, motivation, parenting tips, side hustles, about your ex-boyfriend, absolutely anything. Okay, I love this because it is not just about views. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube starts paying you every month. Literally, you can start a channel on any subject that you choose. Okay, if you love to talk about things about to do with God, tell us. You can even record yourself reading the Bible, and you speak, use your voice to speak to us. So many people are actually heartbroken. They need that word. So go outside there and make something. And let me tell you, whatever you are creating, God will uplift you, and you never know the next opportunity, or maybe the next chance. Okay, so that is idea number 2 I wanted to actually share, that I actually have tried personally, and that's why you are seeing this channel. And by the way, I have 2 other channels that I'm trying to build. Now let's move on to my idea number 3, which is affiliate marketing with Pinterest. One of the best, one that I highly recommend you to try. Now, you don't need to be an influencer. Just use Pinterest to actually share these beautiful AI images, or maybe visuals. And even if they are not AI, you can actually share some quotes. You can share home setups. You can share appliances, different kinds of things that you love. And one thing I highly recommend you to do is actually you link those pins to Amazon Finds, or maybe Canva, or Digital Course, or even your own Etsy shop. When people click and buy, you earn a commission. It adds up, and it is a super passive once it is set up. Okay, first you join any affiliate program. Okay, like for instance Amazon Associates. It is one of the easiest and also one of the most known, even though their commissions are still low. Or maybe you join, let's say, Clickbank, you join AliExpress, you join Digistore, you join Impact.com, you join any platform that has affiliate. You start promoting, and you're gonna be earning some income when someone uses your links to actually do what? To actually buy pro, or maybe to go pro on those services, or maybe the products. Okay, I mostly do this. Even on my description, you're gonna find some affiliate links. So to support this channel, don't forget to use those links, because out of you I get something. Okay, I get a commission, and that's how I support my channel. That's how you guys support me, and I'm super grateful for those people who are using my channel. You are using my links to purchase. Okay, even on my Pinterest, I really appreciate you guys. Okay, now let's move on to my idea number 4, which is ebooks or maybe mini courses. Now I know about mini courses. I haven't done a mini course. Maybe I'll do it later or in future, but about ebooks I have done and also sold them on KDP, Amazon. Now I know that sounds big, but hear me out. With the help of AI, you can actually create something like a 10-page guide on baby sleep routines if you're best, or maybe if you are dealing with parents who have kids, especially for those moms who are just giving birth, or maybe the newly mom. You can do something about a meal plan for busy moms. Okay, you want to do something for busy moms like me who don't have a lot of time but they want to eat healthy. You can write an ebook about that. You can write about productivity planner for creatives, people who want to create some stuff and they do not know which tools to actually help them to automate everything. You can write about them. And even if you don't know, you can still use ChatGPT or any other AI model out there to actually outline and also write the format it into Canva and also sell it on your platforms or maybe your stores like Gumroad or maybe Teachable if you are selling courses. People are always looking for quick wins, and if you have lived experience, and I know you do, it is valuable. You can do it. Okay, now moving on to my last one is actually freelancing with AI help. I know this one is a bit complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Now, you don't have to be a professional writer or maybe designer to get started. You can actually offer services like blog writing, product description, social media caption, translations, and so on and so on. You can even use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini AI, you can use DeepSeek, you can use Manus AI. There are so many tools or maybe AI tools that you can use. Jasper, you can use whatever you want actually to get started. Okay, and most of them, they do a lot of work, like 80% of your work. Then you just polish and put in your own creativity, and that's it. List your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even on TikTok if you have a TikTok account or even a YouTube channel. So guys, I wanted to show you or maybe to discuss with you these ideas while I'm making my dinner here, and I know dinner is already done. As you can see, my family gonna be having it while I'm offering you something. I'm really sorry we couldn't eat together as a family, but at least I know you have seen what I'm doing. You can try it. It is not some magic. Very simple, easy, delicious meals that you can try. So I hope this video inspired you to realize you don't need to be a big setup, or maybe you don't need to have a big setup to start building passive income. You just need a bit of time, a bit of creativity, and the tools, the right tools that can actually help you to do this. I'm doing it from my kitchen, and you can do it also. I don't know what you're doing right now, but you can comment and tell me what you're up to right now. Let me know in the comment section which ideas stood out to you, which one would you want to try, or maybe which one do you want me to go or maybe dive deeper into next time. Don't forget to like, share this with your fellow mom or maybe fellow creator, or maybe your friends, and subscribe for more content on making money online from home using AI tools and living your best life with ease without someone actually interfering with it. Okay guys, until next time guys, I'll see you. Bye bye.